Hey everybody, my name's Gabby and today we're going to be talking about Alani new fit snacks and fit shakes. Now please keep in mind, I am not a health expert, I am not a nutritionist, I am not anybody who knows a lot about food and the proper nutrients and macros and micros and stuff like that, but I am somebody who enjoys living a healthy lifestyle, and if I can get some good eats and good snacks into my body before and after a workout or something, I am all for it. So today I'm going to be reviewing a few of the fit snack protein bars and the fit shakes that Alani new has come out with, and I'm going to do this over a course of a few days after my workouts or whenever it is that I decide to eat these, because I don't want to try them all at once and waste them. So I have 4 different fit snacks that I'm gonna try. So I have the munchies flavor, I have the peanut butter crisp flavor, I have the chocolate cake flavor, and I have the confetti cake flavor. And then for the fit shakes, I picked up an individual fruity cereal fit shake, and I have a whole case of munchies fit shakes. So hopefully we'll be able to give all those a try, and I will give a live review every single time so you guys get it in real time and see exactly how I'm reacting to everything. As for where I got these, so I got all of these individualized, and the fit shakes, the cases and stuff like that, I got them at the Vitamin Shop. They just introduced the Alani new collection to the Vitamin Shop, but I know they've also had it at GNC for quite some time. So you can find it in stores in both of those places and online in both of those places too, as well as the Alani new website to my knowledge. So hopefully after all that rambling and explanation, you guys are really excited to see these and try these, because if you're like me, you've seen all of the Gymshark and all of the fitness influencers on Instagram who are sponsored by Alani new promoting all of these snacks and Alani new things, and I've tried the pre-workouts and stuff like that because Whitney Simmons is always talking about it, so of course I had to give it a try because my girl Whit knows what's up. And so I'm here, I'm getting ready to try these out, and you guys are gonna come along with me, and hopefully I'll give you an honest review, and then you can decide from there whether you want to give them a try or not. So before we get into it, just make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a video coming from me. And yeah, let's just get right into it.
There is literally no good way for me to frame this, so my phone is currently placed inside of my steering wheel cover, so we're doing great. So as promised, the first one that I'm going to give a try is the Alani new peanut butter crisp, and I've heard the best things about this, and I really need to figure out if this is good or not, because I bought a whole case of these and I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see how that goes. So here we are, we're doing a live taste test for you guys. All right, looks pretty good to me, kind of like a candy bar. Okay, I'm glad I bought a whole case of these. Wow, this is so good. It doesn't taste artificial. You can't really taste the protein in there. I'm shocked. Wait, that's really good. Oh yeah, I'm a fan. This tastes like regular peanut butter. It doesn't taste like too sweet. It's not really like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really good. And if I were to rate it, I think I would give it a 10 out of 10. This one's really good. Wow, okay. Great start. All right, friends, we are back for another taste test. This time we have the Alani new Fit Snacks Munchies flavored protein bar. So I am very, very excited about this one because I've heard great things. I'm pretty sure people's favorites have been the peanut butter crunch, followed by munchies or chocolate cake. I don't remember, but I know that people's least favorite is the confetti cake, and I'm saving that for last just in case it really sucks. And I'm hungry today. And I look super disheveled because I just got out of work and we had a few rushes, which was awesome and I loved it. But nevertheless, I am here. I am ready to give the Munchies flavor a try. And this has 10 calories less than the other one, but peanut butter, when you throw it into anything, it automatically adds protein. And, you know, nut butters have extra fat and whatever, it just adds a few calories. So woo, okay, after my long ramble, let's just go ahead and eat. We'll give it a try. All right, kind of looks like the one that I had yesterday, except the colors are actually inverted, which is kind of funny. So here we go. Okay, it basically just tastes like a chocolate covered pretzel, but just like softer. So if you ever get like the pretzel thins that are covered in the milk chocolate, I think, and kind of the dark chocolate, that's kind of what this reminds me of, with a little bit of like a salty kick. But yeah, it's basically just a chocolate covered pretzel with a little bit of caramel, I would even say. There's definitely a little bit of a hint of caramel, but that being said, it's really good. I would give this either an 8 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with it, but I think in the end, I'm just gonna like line them all up and say which ones were my favorite. But for the time being, this one's good. My, oh my, I'm never going to be able to get these angles right on this phone. Anywho, back from work again, and it's time to try yet another Alani new Fit Snacks protein bar. This time, we're going for the chocolate cake because everybody said that this one's delicious and it's really good, and it's most of the time it's on people's number one on top of their list of favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try and see if it's really number one on my list. I don't really know if it will, because as much as I love chocolate, not really sure about chocolate protein bars, but I'm hungry. Let's just dive right in. And it looks the same as every other bar. It's just completely dark though. So let's do it. I gotta be honest, not my favorite. It's very dull tasting. It doesn't really taste like anything. Ew. I should have tried the confetti cake. I thought this one was gonna be better. Well, right now as it stands, peanut butter is on top, followed by munchies, and I guess followed by chocolate cake for the time being, but it's just very plain. Nothing really special about the taste of it, so I'm gonna finish it because I'm hungry, but I can't say that I love it. But then again, I'm not the biggest chocolate protein fan. I love chocolate, especially dark chocolate, but chocolate protein is just not it for me. Oh well. I look even worse today than I have these last couple of days, but I just got out of work again, and I had a coffee disaster today because I got mocha coffee all over me and my hair, and now it's just like hard, rock solid in there, and it's very, very, very annoying. All right, so now that we got all of that out of the way, today I'm hungry again, and so we're trying the confetti cake Alani knew. Now I really saved apparently the worst one for last, so can't wait to give it a try and see how it tastes. So we're just gonna dive right in and see what happens. Oh, this one's boring. You would think that for confetti cake it would have like a cute like colored drizzle or something, but it's just plain. I mean, it's not the worst thing on the planet. I wouldn't put it above chocolate cake, even though that one was pretty bad. But I'm gonna put confetti cake and chocolate cake like on the same tier. It's just not good. It's not good at all, really. I mean, I wouldn't say it's gross, but it's kind of just bland. There's no flavoring really in it. It's not really that interesting. And it's almost even a little chalky, I would say. It's not very smooth, and peanut butter one, by far, is my favorite. Now for cookies and cream, I know that's the last flavor that they have. I did just order a case, so we'll see if it ships. If it gets here in time before I have to put up this review, then I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and we're gonna add cookies and cream to the list. But for the time being, peanut butter is on top, followed by munchies, but I would kind of put them at the same tier. And then confetti cake and chocolate cake are just together and they're not great, not my favorite. So I'm just gonna stick to peanut butter and munchies, which is fine because I bought a case of both of those. So I'm just gonna keep on eating because I already have it.
So today I had the fruity cereal fit shake, and as you can tell by my facial expressions, I was not the biggest fan of it, not gonna lie. So we kept on drinking it to give it another try, but in the end, it wasn't something that I was going to pick up again.
We are almost at the tail end of giving everything a try. So as promised, I have the Alani New Protein Shake Fit Shake in the Munchies flavor, and I loved the Munchies bar. So fingers crossed, I love this too. Maybe I just don't like protein shakes. I don't know. We're just gonna wait and see. There is a plastic seal, of course, and I already shook the whole thing up, so much better than fruity cereal. Wow. Although it just tastes like an extreme caramel macchiato or caramel latte. It's definitely very caramel based. It just kind of tastes like if you have the Starbucks frappuccinos and like the glass things. This tastes basically identical to it. Definitely better than fruity cereal. So if you're trying to give it a try, I would recommend this if you like caramel. If you don't like caramel, if you're not a big caramel person, this is certainly not for you, but it's okay. I don't know if I'm going to be a big fan of the protein shakes in general, but I have a case of them, so I'm going to have to drink them anyway, but not too shabby. So today I'm actually in for a treat because my cookies and cream Alani New bars came just in time before I decided to put up this video. So yeah, we're just gonna see if this is just as good as everybody's been saying that it is. So I'm hungry, I came from work, let's give it a go. I love everything cookies and cream, so, oh yeah, just how I thought it would look, so let's go for it. Well, this one's super chewy, and on the inside, it's got like a white cream filling. So it definitely tastes like cookies and cream, I would say. Overall, honestly, I'd give it an 8 to 9 out of 10. So I would probably put peanut butter up top, munchies after, and then cookies and cream followed by chocolate cake and confetti cake at the very bottom. So it's definitely good if you're a big cookies and cream fan. You're probably really gonna like it. I love cookies and cream stuff, so this is pretty good. Not gonna lie, this is better than most of the cookies and cream protein bars I've tried, so.
Alrighty friends, we are back for the end of the video. That was weird, I am so sorry. It's been a long day, let me say that much. So basically, after this entire video that you just watched, I have come to a consensus. One, I'm not a fan of protein shakes, but unfortunately I do have a whole case of Munchies Alani new protein shake that I have to get through, so I will be drinking that after the gym consistently just to get rid of it. Right off the bat, fruity cereal protein shake from Alani New, not great. Sometimes I hope that it's gonna be more like cereal milk and it tastes like a milky cereal, but this just tasted too artificial for me. I couldn't really do it, nor did I really like it. So I wouldn't really recommend it unless you're a huge fan of Fruity Pebbles. The Munchies shake was okay. Like I said, it was just very caramelly, which is fine. Maybe if it was refrigerated, it would probably taste more like a coffee, so it would be better for me. But I think I'm just not that big of a fan of any other flavor protein shakes that's not vanilla for whatever reason. So that's that. As for all of the Alani new bars, let me tell you, you guys, I may have become addicted. Yeah, I'm saying it, and I think it's true. I have become addicted. I ordered cases of them. So I have the peanut butter crunch one. That one's so good. That one's just delicious, and it tastes like peanut butter and like candy peanut butter. So that makes it even better, even though it's not that unhealthy for you. So I think I'm gonna put peanut butter at the top, which is so shocking to me because I wasn't a big fan of peanut butter for the longest time. Then again, people told me I had an allergy when I was a kid, so that's why I didn't like it or eat it. But we're here now, and that's at the top, followed by Munchies, which every single time I eat it, it starts tasting more and more just like caramel. So like I said, if you like caramel, try Munchies, anything. If you do not like caramel, do not eat it. You will hate it and you will regret it, and I will feel sorry for you, I'm not gonna lie. So Munchies is still really good. Chocolate covered pretzel, cookie, caramel flavored, depending on like the batch, I guess. And then way at the bottom is the chocolate cake and the confetti cake. They were just not good, and that's horrible because who doesn't love cake? I love cake made with gluten-free stuff and vegan cakes and everything cakes. They're just great. Sometimes the icing isn't my favorite. I'm a big cake person. I'm not the biggest fan of icing, I do have to say so, unless it's like whipped cream, because mwah, whipped cream is delicious. No matter if it's vegan or not, it's just good. Enough about me blabbering. Cookies and cream, I would say, is in the middle. But yeah, that's about that. So yeah, hopefully this video was entertaining and you guys kind of enjoyed watching my first reactions to all the flavors, and hopefully, and I swear you really should give these a try if you're a fan of Alani New, or if you like to have a protein bar here and there. These are definitely some of the better protein bars that I've tried, so I definitely recommend it. If you like peanut butter, go for the peanut butter one, and then if you're a caramel kind of mixed flavor kind of person, do Munchies. If you want to be bold and brave and try chocolate cake and confetti cake, give it a try. It doesn't really matter if you like it. I'm proud of you and I'm happy for you. It was just not my thing, so I'm gonna stick to Munchies, peanut butter, and cookies and cream likely. And yeah, so I hope that made sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video with me and from me. So I will see you guys soon. Now I'm gonna go and munch on a protein bar because I'm hungry and I'm feeling snacky, so let's do it.